Hey, Pat the Backyard Builder here. Well, spring has finally sprung. Finally! After one really long winter. We got cold here, long weekend in September, and it never did warm up after that. In fact, I had my sprinkler line freeze. I normally don't blow them out till mid-October, and I had one of my sprinkler lines froze on me, and I had water spraying all over the place. It's the one that the line that I've got running out to the shed here from my casting. So it was it's been an interesting winter. So anyways, and then with the snow and the rain and the snow and the rain, it just seemed like spring was never going to come. So, but anyways, that's all said and done with. We're getting ready for the casting season again here finally. Had to show you a bit of silent video there earlier there, because the wind is howling out there, and if I would have given the audio track, the only thing you would have heard would have been and who wants to listen to that? So anyways, but you can basically see what I was doing. I had the levels out there. I was leveling up my casting tables, and I was cutting these little blanks here for the bench backs. Now they're just a 3x8 inch block of wood, 1/4 inch thick, and I've got them slightly beveled on all four sides. And basically I'm just going to put them into the mold, and I'm going to caulk it in place, and then that just forms the indentation for the name plaques to go into the back of the bench seats. People seem to like that feature, and it's quite easy to do. Like I say, just get some 1/4 inch plywood or hardboard or whatever, and just cut it to the size that you want. Make sure you bevel it so it comes out neatly, and then we're just going to take some caulking, and we're going to put it around the back, set her down, and then clean up around the edges here so that the detail comes right up to the plaque insert, but it's not going to be obscured by the caulking. And just need some simple tools to do that. You need your caulking gun, a measuring tape, and a square to make sure you put it in there squarely, of course, because who wants the plaque off to the side, or so make sure you've got it. So now this one here, I can actually sort of see where I had it last year, because it needs sort of a little coloring mark, but so I can get to cheat a bit. So, but yeah, we're hoping for a much better summer this year. Last year was a little pathetic. Every day, I struggled just to get 5 sets of benches done, and just every day, just rain, and I don't know what was off with my mixer. It was off somehow. Just every time I take something out of the mold, it seems it was shattering. So I actually had a couple of bench backs. They were fine in the morning. I come home in the evening, and they were shattered like glass, just spider cracks all through them. So not sure what was going on there, but something went haywire. So anyways, we're hoping for a much better casting year this year. So just a word on doing this. Need to get enough so it holds, but don't get too much near the edge. Otherwise, you're going to have a mess around the edge that you need to clear up. But do try and get it right to the edge as much as possible. That prevents any concrete from actually going underneath, and because then if that happens, it'll just rip the whole thing right out, and then you've got a bit of a mess trying to get that cleaned up. It can bust a bit, and then you got a mess you have to repair with the patching cement. A lot of unnecessary work when that happens. So just take it right up to the edge here, just like so, and make sure you've got enough there that make sure you got enough that you can actually have a bit of a bead, but it's not going to squish out too badly on you. So yeah, I've got several benches I have to get done right away. I've had already a little behind here. A guy wants a bench here in a week's time, but unfortunately with the rain over the weekend I wasn't even able to get started, so I still had the trailer in the way and I wasn't able to clear the casting area out. So anyways, make sure everything's nice and clean, and that just sets down right about there. And just don't press down until you know you've got it in the right spot. So once you've got it kind of centered up, I think we just went butter here. Just about. That's just it done that way. Now, take a square, make sure that you've got it square this way. That'll do. And should be a couple inches from the edge, and we are. So once that's in place, now we can just press down, and a little excess might come out the edges here. You just sweep that away. And then get some kind of a weight on there while that sets. I'm just going to grab a couple of bricks here. There we go. That'll just keep that down while that sets. And voila, now tomorrow night I can get out the mixer and we can fill our mold. Anyways, have a good day.